What if your gilded scepter could chart the veiled stars of infinite market sovereignty? Welcome, distinguished sovereigns of wealth, to an extraordinary revelation that will reshape your understanding of investment mastery. We stand at the precipice of a stellar equity renaissance, written in Fortune's eternal codex, where artificial intelligence illuminates pathways to unprecedented prosperity. The year 2026 has unveiled itself as a cosmic alignment of opportunity, where empirical valuations transform through financial alchemy into boundless imperial gains. Market oracles whisper of S&P 500 yields dancing between 8 and 12%, while technology sectors surge beyond 20% growth horizons. Yet most investors remain blind to these celestial patterns, missing the luminous constellations that could elevate their portfolios to legendary status. Today, I unveil 10 sovereign stock stratagems that will forge your imperial portfolio into something truly extraordinary. These aren't mere investment suggestions, but arcane methodologies refined for high-net-worth sages, visionary financiers, and sovereign wealth guardians who demand scalable dominions worthy of immortalizing their treasuries. Picture this: holographic equity cascades flowing through your portfolio like liquid starlight, each position strategically aligned with cosmic market forces. Your wealth multiplies not through chance, but through calculated mastery of financial constellations that lesser investors cannot perceive. This is the dawn of investment sovereignty, where your gilded scepter commands market territories with unprecedented precision. The first sovereign stratagem emerges from the artificial intelligence constellation, blazing across financial heavens with transformative power. Companies developing neural networks and machine learning architectures represent more than growth opportunities. They embody the fundamental reshaping of human civilization. Consider enterprises creating autonomous systems, natural language processing platforms, and predictive analytics engines. These digital alchemists transmute data into gold, establishing technological moats that competitors cannot breach for decades. Your second celestial pathway leads through renewable energy dominions, where environmental consciousness converges with extraordinary profit potential. Solar manufacturers, wind energy producers, and battery technology innovators stand poised to capture trillions in global infrastructure spending. Governments worldwide mandate carbon neutrality, creating legislative tailwinds that propel these companies towards stratospheric valuations. The wise sovereign recognizes that sustainability and profitability dance together in perfect harmony. Healthcare innovation presents our third stellar territory, where biotechnology companies engineer medical miracles that extend human longevity while generating astronomical returns. Gene therapy pioneers, personalized medicine developers, and precision diagnostic creators unlock value beyond traditional pharmaceutical boundaries. Aging populations across developed nations guarantee expanding markets, while breakthrough treatments command premium pricing that sustains exceptional profit margins. The fourth constellation illuminates cybersecurity fortresses, protecting digital empires from increasingly sophisticated threats. Data breaches cost enterprises millions, making security solutions essential rather than optional investments. Companies providing advanced encryption, threat detection, and incident response capabilities become indispensable guardians of the digital realm. Your portfolio gains defensive characteristics, while participating in explosive growth within expanding security markets. Financial technology represents our fifth sovereign domain, where traditional banking surrenders to digital transformation. Payment processors, cryptocurrency platforms, and digital lending services capture enormous market share from legacy institutions. These fintech pioneers operate with superior efficiency, lower overhead costs, and enhanced customer experiences that established banks cannot match. Regulatory clarity emerges gradually, reducing uncertainty while preserving competitive advantages for early leaders. Our sixth strategic constellation focuses on cloud computing infrastructure, the invisible foundation supporting modern digital civilization. Companies providing data storage, computational power, and software delivery platforms become essential utilities for businesses worldwide. Remote work trends, digital transformation initiatives, and artificial intelligence deployment create insatiable demand for cloud services. These technology providers enjoy recurring revenue models with predictable growth trajectories that sophisticated investors treasure. Semiconductors form our seventh celestial territory, powering every electronic device from smartphones to autonomous vehicles. Chip manufacturers, design software creators, and specialized equipment producers benefit from exponential growth in computational requirements. Artificial intelligence algorithms demand increasingly powerful processors, while Internet of Things devices multiply across industrial applications. Supply chain constraints create pricing power, while innovation cycles ensure continuous market expansion. The eighth sovereign stratagem explores space commercialization, where private enterprises unlock extraterrestrial economic opportunities. Satellite communication networks, space tourism ventures, and asteroid mining prospects represent entirely new industries with unlimited growth potential. Government contracts provide stable revenue foundations, while commercial applications generate exponential expansion possibilities. Early investors position themselves within frontier markets before widespread recognition drives valuations skyward. Precision agriculture technologies constitute our ninth stellar pathway, feeding growing global populations while optimizing resource utilization. Drone manufacturers, genetic modification specialists, and automated farming equipment producers revolutionize food production efficiency. Climate change challenges traditional farming methods, creating demand for innovative solutions that increase yields while reducing environmental impact. These companies capture value across expanding agricultural markets worldwide. Our final constellation centers on quantum computing pioneers developing computational capabilities that surpass classical limitations. These revolutionary technologies solve complex problems in cryptography, drug discovery, financial modeling, and artificial intelligence optimization. While commercialization timelines remain uncertain, breakthrough achievements could generate wealth creation events comparable to early internet adoption. Patient investors with extended time horizons position themselves for potentially extraordinary returns. Implementation requires sophisticated portfolio construction that balances growth potential against risk management considerations. Diversification across multiple constellations prevents concentration risks while ensuring participation in transformative trends. Position sizing reflects conviction levels while maintaining liquidity for opportunistic rebalancing during market volatility periods. Dollar cost averaging into high conviction positions smooths entry timing while building substantial stakes over extended periods. Market corrections create exceptional buying opportunities for prepared investors willing to increase allocations when others retreat. Patience rewards those who understand that extraordinary wealth creation requires years rather than months for full manifestation. Tax optimization strategies become crucial for maximizing after-tax returns within these growth-oriented investments. Qualified opportunity zones, retirement account allocations, and tax loss harvesting techniques preserve more gains for compound growth acceleration. International diversification provides additional optimization possibilities while accessing global innovation centers. Risk management remains paramount despite exciting growth prospects across these technological frontiers. Position limits, stop-loss protocols, and correlation monitoring prevent single investments from endangering overall portfolio stability. Regular rebalancing maintains target allocations while capturing profits from outperforming positions for redeployment into undervalued opportunities. The sovereign investor distinguishes between speculation and strategic accumulation of transformative companies with enduring competitive advantages. Due diligence examines management quality, financial strength, market position, and long-term growth sustainability, rather than short-term price movements. Fundamental analysis guides allocation decisions, while technical indicators optimize entry and exit timing. Your imperial portfolio emerges through disciplined execution of these sovereign stratagems, compounding wealth across multiple economic cycles, while participating in civilization-changing technological advancement. These 10 constellations illuminate pathways toward investment sovereignty that transcends conventional wisdom limitations. The stellar equity renaissance has begun, revealing opportunities for those bold enough to embrace transformation while wise enough to manage associated risks. Your gilded scepter now possesses the celestial navigation required to chart courses through veiled stars toward infinite market sovereignty. The luminous constellations await your command, ready to reveal holographic equity cascades that will immortalize your treasury through strategic mastery. The choice stands before you. Remain anchored to conventional approaches or ascend to investment sovereignty through these celestial pathways. Your empire awaits construction through these 10 sovereign stock stratagems, each constellation offering unique advantages for the discerning financial alchemist. Begin your journey toward portfolio immortality today, guided by the eternal wisdom encoded within fortune's cosmic manuscript.